you guys? Pedro here. Just wanted to show you guys my new purchase. I broke down right next to an XK8. I thought that was pretty funny. The car, man, drives exceptional. The only issue is it's 110 degrees out. Traffic and all that stuff accumulating. The temperature gauge started to raise a little bit slightly on this bad boy, so I took the safer route and just kind of pulled over and got roadside assistance to come out. But the car purrs. I'm gonna have to do a complete overhaul little by little, dump a lot of money into it, and I can't wait for it to leave me broke as hell. But all in all, the paint is in 100% good shape. The car has no rust. I'm just so worried that because I let it just a little bit above the end, that I might have compromised the head gasket, seeing as though these are extremely sensitive to that overheating issue. But I think I'm good. I don't see any smoke coming from the tailpipe. I don't see any oil or coolant mixed in. It should be good. I'm getting roadside assistance to come now, and you know, I'll definitely keep you guys posted. I'm excited about this project. Project XJS V12, my first one.